Okay, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. For those who watched my previous two videos, I'm new to the RC world. In my previous video, I did a conversion to a LCG chassis for a Traxxas Slash. You could go back and see that video. This is my second car I got a hold of. Actually, I got a hold of a couple cars in a RC lot that I bought. Had a couple cars, a lot of car parts. So this one right here is a Losi Minit-T 1.0. It was brushed, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it into brushless. So I was looking through it. We had a couple of problems. Let me show you. You can see this came with the first problem was the ESC receiver combo. It wasn't working. This right here, it wasn't working. So I took that off. I took that off right there. It was only with tape, so I took that off. Couldn't make it into brushless because then the servo, as you can see, it's actually has 4 wires, which would not fit in a current receiver. Those current receivers only take 3. So I had to get a new motor. The motor that came with, don't know if it worked or not. This is a speaker controller didn't work, but I already took the motor off. Here goes the motor it came with. So I took that off already. And I also already took the servo off, since the servo won't work. There's 4 cables in it, and also it's a hexagon shape. So I took that off. And the problem with that is the regular receivers won't fit in. I mean, the regular servos won't work with this. Because you can see this one right here has a little ball joint. So it took me a little while. I bought several servos until I got the wrong one. I got this one right here. This wasn't it, so don't waste your time to get this one. This one was a little bit too big and it didn't fit in there. Then I got another one. This one was also a little bit too big. Let's see if you can zoom into it. Yeah, this one was also a little too big. There you go. That one was a little too big, and I finally got the correct one. Where did I put that at? Oh, here it goes, right here. Finally got the correct one. The HS55 micro servo. So this is what we're gonna be using, the servo. And like I said, a regular servo didn't work for this. So I had to look for one, and these are discontinued in a lot of places. I had to get this one right here. As you can see, it has that little ball joint that we're gonna need. It's a servo saver. Part number is LOSB 1226. That's a servo saver. See, and it works with a high-tech HS55 Minit-T. Okay, so we're gonna use that, and I already added the brushless motor on there, but we're gonna make it completely brushless. And also, since that other receiver was a combo, we're gonna add this one right now. For this one, we're gonna add the Spectrum one. It's only 2 channel, but it should work for what we're doing here. This is the all control that it had. So that was not gonna work with the new receiver. And also, this is it a FM or AM? I'm not sure, but it still won't. It won't work. This one won't work for it. So we're gonna use, for right now, we're gonna use this Spectrum one. Is a 2, the STX2. We're gonna use that one for right now. So in this video, show you guys how to put the servo in there and all the electronics. And then after we finish with all that, we're gonna take it out for a run and see how it runs. Okay, so let me get all my tools right and everything. I'll be back, and we're gonna start putting this together.